Welcome to our channel. In today's video, Crafting Profit, unique home decor from scrap wood and metal, we're diving into the fascinating world of upcycling. We'll show you how to transform discarded materials into stunning home decor pieces that not only add character to your space, but can also generate income. If you're passionate about creativity and sustainability, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who might be interested in crafting. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for you. And make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, where we'll share some bonus tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Let's jump in and start crafting. In Crafting Profit, unique home decor from scrap wood and metal, we dive deep into the transformative potential of upcycling discarded materials. Scrap wood and metal, often overlooked and deemed useless, present a treasure trove of opportunities for creative individuals. This video aims to inspire viewers to see the beauty in the mundane and recognize that with a bit of imagination and skill, these materials can be turned into stunning home decor items that add both character and charm to any living space. The first step in this creative journey involves understanding how to select the right scrap materials. Viewers will learn about the various types of wood and metal that can be sourced from local hardware stores, construction sites, or even their own homes. We'll discuss the characteristics of different woods, such as oak, pine, and pallet wood, and how to identify quality metal scraps that can be used in crafting. This foundational knowledge is essential for ensuring that the final products are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also durable and functional. Next, we will delve into various crafting techniques and essential tools needed for transforming scrap materials into unique decor items. From basic woodworking skills like cutting, sanding, and staining to metalworking techniques such as welding and bending, viewers will gain insights into the practical aspects of crafting. We'll provide step-by-step demonstrations for creating popular decor pieces such as rustic furniture, wall art, and decorative planters. By showcasing different methods, we empower viewers to experiment and develop their own unique styles. Beyond techniques, we will explore a variety of design ideas that can serve as inspiration for viewers. The video will highlight trends in home decor that favor rustic and industrial aesthetics, illustrating how upcycled pieces can fit seamlessly into modern interiors. From repurposing old wooden pallets into coffee tables to using scrap metal for artistic wall hangings, the possibilities are endless. This section aims to spark creativity and encourage viewers to think outside the box when it comes to design. In conclusion, Crafting Profit, unique home decor from scrap wood and metal is more than just a guide to crafting. It's an invitation to embrace creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. By transforming scrap materials into beautiful home decor, viewers can not only enhance their living spaces, but also explore a fulfilling and potentially profitable creative outlet. Join us on this journey as we turn scrap into art, proving that with a little imagination, anything can become a treasure. One of the most compelling aspects of crafting with scrap materials is the potential for profit. In this segment, we'll discuss how creating unique home decor can lead to a profitable venture. We'll cover pricing strategies, market research, and the various platforms available for selling handmade products such as Etsy, local craft fairs, and social media. Viewers will learn how to position their creations in a competitive market and the importance of branding and storytelling in attracting customers. for watching Crafting Profit, unique home decor from scrap wood and metal. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to start your own upcycling journey. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel for more creative content. Like this video to show your support and share it with friends and family who might be interested in crafting. Your engagement helps us reach more people and continue bringing you exciting ideas. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in our next video.